Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini waffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of grated zucchini, thoroughly squeezed to remove excess moisture. Then, grab 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of melted butter or your preferred cooking oil. The key to crispy zucchini waffles is properly preparing your zucchini. Start by washing and trimming 2 medium zucchinis. Next, use a box grater to shred them into fine pieces. This step is crucial. Place the grated zucchini into a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Squeeze out as much liquid as you possibly can. This prevents soggy waffles. Now let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, whisk your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, and melted butter. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, folding until just combined. Don't overmix. Cook in a preheated waffle iron for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Your delicious zucchini waffles are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether sweet or savory. They're fantastic with a dollop of Greek yogurt, fresh berries, or even a fried egg. For storage, any leftovers keep well in an airtight container for up to 3 days. You can easily reheat them in a toaster or oven to regain that perfect crispness. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.